You might think this is some cool design on the car. But no, these pink circles are actually paint defects. Light scratches, deep scratches, small dents, grime and uneven paint. Honestly, even we did not expect it to look like an art design, but it does. Also, the roof has a default factory color that won't stay. We're upgrading it to match the new PPF color. This is where major work happens. So roof raise, A-pillar, water panel and few other panels are sanded, prepped and repainted for a perfect base. Because remember, PPF shows everything underneath, so the base must be flawless. So now comes detailing, not decoration. This removes light to medium scratches, sanding marks and haze. So, it is only after this the car is PPF ready. And so now inside the car and clean to install mural damping sheets. And yes, rolling is compulsory. If it's not rolled properly, it's not called damping. Roof damping reduces outside noise, improves music clarity and gives that solid premium feel. And now we are changing it to satin matte black PPF.
Saving every dime. I was counting change in the kitchen like dreaming about a chrome V12 summertime.
Satin matte black PPF. So this is the best of both worlds. Not fully glossy, not fully matte. At side angles you see soft gloss. And then under light you see deep matte. Customer was shown 5 different black PPF options. And this one won. Also comes with color warranty, self-healing, UV protection and long-term durability. So this is not just a color change, this is a Moto Rhythm transformation. If you want your car to stand out, you know where to come. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting car transformation and upgrades. Thank you.